Imagine a future that has been built to sustain everyone's needs. Tech30 believes this can be achieved if we all work together in unity towards a better built future. By enabling people to stay connected, create meetings, managing staff, advertising business, transcend the educational system, helping environmentalists, and be comfortably in control of their homes. The company was founded by two ladies in 2020 midst the outbreak followed by a lockdown. They both saw the needs in society grow for technology that help businesses stay afloat while the lockdown rules were met. Many ideas of how to assist in these times arose, but nothing compared to Tech30. Realizing that in order for them to assist companies in the public domain, would be to sell certain technology that would give businesses exposure and enable them to stay in contact with their customers. SMEs can now stay in business by setting up a whole system from home that is affordable and easy to use. Medical centers can now keep up with the multiple patients entering and exiting the hospital premises with a simple touch that works with gloves. The school sector can now host full online sessions with high-quality sound and picture by using a PTZ, pan-tilt zoom video conferencing system. The following was mentioned as examples of where Tech30's services are essential and planned solutions that fall part of the list ideas on how they want to help the community as best they possibly can. To book a meeting with Tech30, contact them directly at 087 821 7727 or go to their website www.tech30.co.za.